In a lush jungle, a curious and mischievous monkey named Max loved to explore and play tricks on his friends. He would swing from tree to tree, laughing and chattering with glee. Meanwhile, a gentle and wise elephant named Ella roamed the jungle, using her strength and kindness to help those in need. She would lift heavy branches and rocks, and offer words of encouragement to those who were struggling. One day, a fierce storm hit the jungle, causing destruction and chaos. Trees were knocked over, rivers overflowed, and animals were trapped in the debris. Max and Ella met while seeking shelter in a nearby cave. At first, they were hesitant to trust each other, but as they looked into each other's eyes, they saw something special. Max was impressed by Ella's strength and wisdom, while Ella was amazed by Max's agility and quick thinking. They decided to work together to help their friends and restore the jungle to its former beauty. Max used his agility to climb trees and rescue trapped birds, while Ella used her strength to lift heavy rocks and debris. Together, they faced many challenges and learned to appreciate each other's unique skills. They laughed and chattered as they worked, and their friendship grew stronger with each passing moment. As they worked, they discovered a hidden clearing containing a magical fruit tree. The tree was dying, and the jungle's magic was fading. Max and Ella combined their skills to revive the tree, using Max's quick thinking to fetch water and Ella's strength to lift the tree's roots. Slowly but surely, the tree began to flourish, and the jungle's magic was restored. The other animals in the jungle were amazed by Max and Ella's teamwork and friendship. They cheered and celebrated, and from that day on, Max and Ella were inseparable friends. They went on many more adventures together, using their teamwork and friendship to protect and defend the jungle. Moral: friendship and teamwork can overcome even the greatest challenges.